Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Ki Sangma Mentagsi ke khatni utrik unailar arajar apndre ulong bagi surak kidanya ke benta banwanra ya ke jingkala ke baplelat ya ke jingki syakmat jong ki distrik Basyajaka Kendong ha ke bawlobo ya mau nong rem bansna penhe ya ke surak wailoi mau kerwat rang thong South West Khasi Hills ke projek Basyaspa Sapo Klor Tengka balabay purana ke pelapisa Kejela kedai umamer jong ke jing persyang ke sorkar ban penyar ya kilat penyesok ban penti kena ba keroi kepar kepoi syabar ke Shillong bat sya ki jaka ba kendong jong ke jela haba ajeng kran ha ke jingilang ke bahek bhau menteri rang bau lo banjur ba ke jingken show pisah ha ke jingtei ha ke bekut kidai ke jingken show ha ki briu man ke tingka bangi the ha kilat penyesok kam dei ke bapelut tang ha ke rong ban umau kedai ke jingken show ha ki briu bakat no ke jingsuk ya ki kemi bakin poi sya ki hospital hado kan no kena ula ban poi skul tikna bat kat no ke jing ngos kem unong rep ban pen poi ya ki mar sya ki yau ulong o menteri rang bau lo ban pau baki distrik ki bala syai ben baha baro shi kat takum ke South West Khasi Hills South Garo Hills bat East Jaintia Hills kila dan menta haprang jong ki mat penroi ke sorkar ke basisen ke pol la ken kum ki jaka kendong bala ben menta kila kala long ki jaka penroi kalenti trekam jongi kalong ban pentikna ba koroi ke parkan sedang na kini ki jaka ula benrap habakran halar ke projek menterang ba ula pentip bana do snam arjar khat pra palat pras pasan folklor ki projek la pentrekam ha South West Khasi Hills bat ki jingkular bal kenlang kila poi mentala janya khandai spa khandai folklor tengka ki balai don lang kilong sembot menterang ba preston tensong o mentrekam jongok ka Timothy D Shra o MLA ba Directorate do o Pius Marwen Olan Sing Sun bar u Dr. Celestin do kilai don lang ha kani ke jingel.
And of course, we have been working together in this MDA government to take our state forward. And so I recall the conversation that we had. And even after that conversation, Directorate has been continuously pressurizing Preston and myself to sanction this road at the earliest. And as mentioned, we could not do the entire stretch in one go. So we did half, and then now today we are here to do the other half. But the reason I'm mentioning this is to place on record the contribution, the commitment, and the hard work that has been put by Directorate, your local MLA, and the other MLAs also, to ensure that this project is sanctioned and that we are able to lay the foundation stone. So I thank you, Marani, for your commitment and your hard work. And I'm sure that you must be the happiest person today. I'm sure every single citizen is happy, but I think you must be more happy than everybody else, because this has been one of your most important projects. I know that. And it's not easy for us as a government to sanction these kind of projects, because they are very large. 140 crores from state's own money is not a simple and a small project. 140 crores coming in from the state's budget reflects the importance, reflects the commitment that this government has towards the people of South West Khasi Hills. It is a different story if we get funds from central government or from any other scheme. it's a different story. Because then there are many schemes and many government programs come. But when we do it from our own resources, then it means something special. And hence I'm truly glad that today I was able to come. But I'm truly happy that I am able to be here, to be part of this very, very, I should say, important project which has been waiting for a long time. The people of Makurwat area and South West Khasi Hills have been waiting for this road project for a very long time. This is something special to me also, because I also have promised this to the people of South West Khasi Hills. So it gives me also a great sense of satisfaction to be here, to finally see the dreams, the aspirations, and the commitment today come true. I'm very hopeful that the work for this will start very, very soon. And I expect that within the next 12 months to 15 months' time, we should be able to see almost the whole road complete. There could be some stretches where technical problems may be there, but I'm sure most of it should be complete by or before Christmas next year. Friends, in the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor and efforts of our MDA government to ensure that no area, no district is left behind. Traditionally, what people used to see as corner districts, remote districts, be it South Garo Hills, be it South West Khasi Hills, be it the northern western tip of West Garo Hills, be it the extreme end of East Jaintia Hills. These areas used to be seen as remote, neglected, and backward districts. But our government has ensured that for us, our vision should start with those remote districts. So like that, our development agenda has been spread across. And I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years from 2018, close to 850 crores worth of projects, about 150 of them have been done in South West Khasi Hills. Just in South West Khasi Hills, 850 crores worth of infrastructure projects. And this, my friends, is one of the highest sanctions that this area has ever seen in the last 54 years.